So this is it. So I quickly want to show us how to close it. How we can close it. This is how you are going to do it. You take 4 of this. Take 4. Then you now pass it through this remaining one. Then to the other 4 here. You take the fish line together. You put 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. You are putting 3, 3 individually. 3, 3 individually. Then we now use 3 to join it together. We put 3 together to join it. We join them out together. Put 3. Sorry, together. Then we will now separate it, put 3 individually. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. After putting it, now go to the side, take the 4th one. We take the 4th one the other side as well. The 4th one here as well. Then we now put 3 individual. We put 3, 3, 3 on each fish line. Then we now combine the fish line together to put 3. And you see, we combine together to put 3. Then we now open it up, put 3, 3. Use the 4th one. Then we now put 3. Then we now knot it at the mouth. So then we have closed it. That is it. One, 2, 3. Then we now separate it, put 3. The other side I'm going to put 3 as well. Then I'll take the 4th one here. I'll take the 4th one. And to this side, I will take the 4th one. Then I will now put 3 before I combine them out together. One. When I combine them out together, I will put 3. This is the last step. And I will now put one more to tie. Can you see? I'm going to tie. You have joined it now. You can try it at home. You can make one for your children. Now that they are doing cultural traditional day in the school, they will be needing it. You can as well do 1 or 2. This is it. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share to your loved ones. So lovely. And I will now cut all these edges away. So there is more to come. We have a lot of designs which I'll be treating. In my next video, I will bring another design up which is totally different from this. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you.